Sego, this is Purple Prefixes Part 2. In this video, you're going to study the prefixes for when two people are speaking to or about any number of people. And we're sticking with the verb root nuwis. Keep trying to guess the right prefix before I tell you the answer. Sararasviyohak. Good luck. You and I to him. Ichidini. Ichidini nuwis. You and I to her. Yeti. Yeti nuwis. You and I to them males. Yeti. Yeti nuwis. You and I to them females. Yeti. Yeti nuwis. Someone and I to you. Guinea. Guinea nuwis. Someone and I to him. Sagani. Sagani nuwis. Someone and I to her. Yaki. Yaki nuwis. Someone and I to you two. Gwa. Gwa nuwis. Someone and I to all of you. Gwa. Gwa nuwis. Someone and I to them males. Yaki. Yaki nuwis. Someone and I to them females. Yaki. Yaki nuwis. You two to me. Dagani. Dagani nuwis. You two to him. Ichizini. Ichizini nuwis. You two to her. Yetsi. Yetsi nuwis. You two to someone and I. Dagwa. Dagwa nuwis. You two to them and I. Dagwa. Dagwa nuwis. You two to them males. Yetsi. Yetsi nuwis. You two to them females. Yetsi. Yetsi nuwis. Two females or two males to me. Yunge. Yunge nuwis. Two females or two males to you. Yeza. Yeza nuwis. Two females or two males to him. Runwa. Runwa nuwis. Two females or two males to her. Sagodi. Sagodi nuwis. Two females to her. Yagodi. Yagodi nuwis. Two females or two males to you and I. Yunki. Yunki nuwis. Two females or two males to someone and I. Yunki. Yunki nuwis. Two females or two males to you too. Yetsi. Yetsi nuwis. Two females or two males to all of you and me. Yunki. Yunki nuwis. Two females or two males to them and me. Yunki. Yunki nuwis. Two females or two males to all of you. Yetsi. Yetsi nuwis. Two females or two males to them males. Runwadi. Runwadi nuwis. Two females to them females. Gunwadi. Gunwadi nuwis.